Good morning, YouTube. Good night, YouTube. Good evening, YouTube. Wherever you are, bro. This morning, I'd rather show you.
It's still coming. That's fine.
Now that we got all that water dried up, we're gonna look back into what the original purpose of this video was today. We got the Andis Masters, the Gold Edition. Hey, there was some clippers that were so nice, I bought them twice. Now y'all stay locked in. Let me finish this cut up. We got all this water up. I'll be sure to lock in with y'all in a minute. We have the Andis Masters. Andis Professional Master Cordless Limited Gold Edition. The first thing we do, open the box. Comes in this black box inside the black box, and it should be sealed right here on the side. And the front's got the silhouette of the shape of the clipper. But remember I told y'all, this clipper was so nice, I bought it twice. So then we open the box. That might be like a warranty QR code. First thing you want to do, I was always told, get out of the box. This small box and this small box. First thing you want to do, like open it again, charger, warranty card, bag of guards, a little small oil. All that's gonna be inside this box. Then this smaller box, if I had to guess, I believe it's the base. Inside that box is the base. And this has actually found out a way to get that power in a cordless clipper, and the Andis Masters, I've got 3 of them on my station, 3 clippers. Phaze blade, fade blade, original Andis Master blade. They all serve a different purpose. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. You just witnessed the unboxing of the Andis Master. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and always, most important, just vibe to Klassix Barbering Company. Let me go put these on the charger real quick, because that's what you're supposed to do when you first get them. That's what this says. Read instructions first. Do not turn on clipper until it's fully charged. Remember that. Don't turn it on unless it's fully charged, and then you go complain about, man, these things die quick. It's because when you first got them, you opened the box, you took the stick off, and you turned them on. Remember what the people said, man. Remember what the folk in them said now. Change your ways. First and foremost, let's start by saying thank y'all for watching this video. Thank y'all for locking in with me. Thank you thus far for all the people that's been coming through. All my subscribers, all the new subscribers, welcome. All the returners, welcome back. I realized something. I'm gonna show y'all the good, the bad, and the ugly. Hear me and hear me good. I'm enjoying the journey so far, continuing to push this content out. I hope y'all enjoying it as much as I'm enjoying creating, turning these cameras on every day and letting it rip, man. If y'all got some suggestions on what y'all wanna see, more hair cutting, I got you. If it's more conversations, I got you with that too. If it's more outbound calls, if my clients are cool with that, I'm with it too, y'all. Class of Klassix Barbering Company. Stay locked in with us, man. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the ride, bro. Appreciate y'all.